Good afternoon. Let's look at page 201, question number 24. So now we have this third root. We want to find the middle of our S-shaped graph. So we're going to take x minus 4 equal to 0. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. So we get x equals 4. So we're going to make our table of data, x and y with 4 in the middle. We're going to go smaller, 3, 2, 1. Go bigger, 5, 6, 7. So let's plug our numbers in. If I plug in a 4, that's going to be the easiest one because that's going to give me 0, and 0 times 4 would give me 5. Let's plug in a 3. 4 third root of 3 minus 4 plus 5. Well, that's going to give me a negative 1. So that'll give me a negative 4 plus 5. So that'll give me 1 for that value. If I plug in a 5, I have 4 third root of 5 minus 4 plus 5. That's going to give me 1. The third root of 1 is 1, so that's going to give me 4 plus 5. That gives us 9. Now if we plug in a 2, 2 minus 4 plus 5, that's going to give me 4, and that's going to be a negative 2. Plus, I guess that should be plus 5. So I'm going to factor out the negative 1 from that. So we have a negative 4 third root of 2. So let's plug that into our calculator, which will give us 2 third root 1.25. We're going to multiply that by the negative 4. Add 5 to that. So that's going to give us a negative 0.034. Or no, negative 0.034. That was when we plugged in the 2. So negative 0.04. So now let's plug in when we have a 6. 4 third root of 6 minus 4 plus 5. That's going to give me a 2, so 4 third root of 2 plus 5. So if I find the third root of 2, it's going to give me 1.25 multiplied by 4 and add 5. It's going to give me 10.04. Now let's plug in. So write that over there, 10.04. Now let's plug in our 7. 4 third root of 7 minus 4 plus 5. So if we look at that, 7 minus 4 would be 3. And then we're taking the third root of 3, which is 1.44, and then we're multiplying that times 4. This gives us 5.76, and then we're going to add 5 to that. So that's going to give us a 10.77. I plugged in that value. Now let's plug in a 1. If I do 4 third root 1 minus 4 plus 5, that's 4 third root of a negative 3 plus 5. We want to pull that negative 1 out because we can't use our calculator to do that. Has a little conniption. So let's do the third root of 3, which is 1.44. We're going to multiply by negative 4, and then we're going to add 5 to that. So that's going to give us a negative 0.77. Okay, so we're going to take that data and we're going to use that on the next page to plot it, since we don't have enough space left. So let's look at our graph. And if we look at this, we have 1, negative 0.77. So we have 1, and then a negative 0.77 be there. Oh, let's make it a 1, not a negative 1. We have 1, negative 0.77, and then a 2 gives us a negative 0.04. So that's going to be pretty close to the line. Then we're going to go back over here, 3. It's going to give us a value of 1. So we're going to be up here. If we're at 4, it gives us a value of 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4, 5. And then if we look back over here, we're going to have 9 next. 5, 9. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Almost off the page, but we know that at 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're going to go up 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's erase that little tiny ones over there. That's not really truth. Let's go back. We need 6 and 10.04. So we'll be over at 6, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're just going to be just a little bit past that. And then at 7, we're past that. So again, we're getting an S shape. That's what it looks like when we have that kind. So let's kind of do our best sketch of what we've got. And they're going to head out that way. And head up. Oh, that was interesting. Oh no. And it heads out the other way. I'm not sure. Oh, there we go. I can move it again. And it heads out that way. So that's question number 24 on page 201. Have a great day. Bye-bye.